Okay. So what we need to do? Let's go to our survivor character and just put the rarity legendary. Legendary. So legendary ability rarity, legendary. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Welcome. And we need to increase the chances of that, like the maximum. I wanna put. And let's check. Let's open some crates. Okay, so the problem, like we had an icon before here, and now all great. So I wanna make one more thing here. About abilities. So we have a frame which will show what the ability is, and we click on them. Also, let's remove these chances from here, and yeah. So also I want I want to place them on our GUI, all abilities depending on rarity, because now it looks like so, it looks a little weird. I wanna like common, for example, will be at the bottom always, and so on. So let's just make layout order where we can maybe just a rarity would take rarities config. Yeah, we can take rarities config. Where is rarities config? Let's call that. We don't have that. Configs local require configs rarity config rarities config, and here's also. So rarities config. So let's go here, let's go down here, and just we need to find the index of that. Rarities config, the ability rarities, and just index. So we need to find that, like index local index equals table find ability rarities, and haystack and needle. This is our ability name. Oh, no, ability rarity. Yeah, of course, ability rarity. And why we need index, maybe you ask? Because we just make for ability template layout order And the last one will be we'll fix that later. We'll fix that later. We don't need like a lot of we need to separate anyway, because maybe we have different parameters for viewer, for info, for survivor crates, and for monster crates, and probably we need to separate all of that. Yeah, looks like so. Okay, let's make first survivor crates, and that's all. We don't unite them together. Survivors crates. And survivors crates filter will be crate stop will be not the crate stop, survivor crate stop will be this one. Yeah, like so. Survivor crate top. Let's do like so. And so we have survivor crates subclass. So this is tab controller. We just need to create an items. First, what we need with this one, we need to call that, of course, in our like buttons controller. Yeah. Instead of just create survivor stop, just let's call this here. This will be survivor crates top. Survivor crates top, and we call that here. Instead of crates, just survivor crates equals to survivor crates top dot new, and wait, survivor crates equals to crates top dot new, and self tab controller. Yeah, like so, because we renamed that a little bit already, like so, and this one we don't need. Okay, survivor crates, we can call that, right? Right. And we create here like inventory tab controller. Inventory tab controller. I wanna find that. Okay, just tab controller. Make it shorter, really. We don't need like long names here. I don't like that. And let's go in our other class. In survivor tab, inventory tab controller. We just also rename that, so we probably don't have any errors, I hope. Maybe we have. Let's check. No item. Okay, where is it? Survivor info. No, this is like math knowledge. No, no, bro. Like this is you need just to create in your own in your head ways how to solve any problems. Like this is like logical tasks more than math. Sometimes, yeah, of course, you need some formulas to make, like calculate percents or something like so, but this is not a lot of here, these things. So physics, no, bro, definitely no. You don't need that. Like if you don't make physics simulator or maybe some shooters with real projectiles, you don't need a lot of maths here, so no. Okay, let's test other. So let's test again. Equip, we can equip. Unequip, works. Sell, works. Selection mode. Sell this. Okay, let's sell, for example, all gray things. Okay, self-selected I need. Like so, okay. Yeah, I see, but like, what kind of formulas? Formulas, usually some things with percents, but bro, it's not like you think probably. It's not some hard formulas. Like formula how to calculate percent, or how to, I don't know. Maybe you need to create how much money like will be refunded to your player when he sold some item, like so. So you can do it like how you feel. You don't need persistence in refunding if you want. Like no need of trigonometry or I don't know linear algebra. No, bro, no. Like, yeah, in some cases you definitely need that, but like in my game I only use percent system, like for a random number generator, and this is not too hard, really. You can search Google for formulas. Yeah, I agree, absolutely. So really hard formulas you don't need this, bro, here. By the way, guys, welcome. Who's new? Nolja and Yelm Block. Welcome, guys. You need it for you for use. You're not using a game engine, but RobloxStudio already has the complex stuff. You need to first understand what the formula is to use it. So, no, bro, hard formulas, yeah, of course, if you wanna make some arc projectile for your artillery thing, or maybe your cannon, this is pretty hard to calculate that. But anyway, you can of course find some solution or ask AI about that, like guys said. So yeah. You only need stuff like trigonometry in niche cases. Yeah, agree. So in my game, in my current game, I don't have a lot of formulas. So, okay, we need to open our tab now. Category tabs, controller, let's go. Render items. Survivors crates. Select item container, filter table, current. So all these we leave like so, I think. Survivor crates. Okay, let's rename that. Not just a filter, just a filter, to reuse that easily in other scripts. And here's, instead of survivors filter, just filter. Let's replace that. Survivors filter, just filter sort. And maybe survivors filter. Okay, great. So just filter. That's it. You're a game developer, not math genius. Yeah, bro. You overestimate math probably here. Like a lot of things you can do without that. Really a lot of things, bro. But being a developer involves math by many people when you dive into complex systems, or I don't know. What you need at least math basics or trigo or algebra, or I don't know. Bro, really, not in a lot of cases. Not in a lot of cases. Like, of course, like percent system or like random number generator make. This is like usually you need. But make like trigonometry or how it's called, some formulas you don't need. Usually, for in like very rare. Yeah, you don't get my point, bro. I'm saying developing game is programming in general, no need math. Yeah, agree. Linear algebra is even more niche than trigonometry. Roblox takes care of most of it. Yeah, guys, that's true. So if you think maybe I remember something in linear algebra or how it's called even, but I like out of school like 10 years ago, guys. So I don't remember all of that stuff, but still I am develop my game. So okay. Okay. Let's try to check if all works without filters. Yeah, great. Okay, price, best to worst, worst to best, best to worst. Okay, great. For fun, basically linear algebra is like math for vectors. Bro, this is here like vectors. Okay, I've got it. Like if you mean vectors, maybe you see vector 3 here or something like so. Bro, no. This is just numbers which are really easy to understand without knowing all of that from linear algebra. Game developing is not all about math, it's how you design games. Yes, like it's more about your logical or how it's called thinking. Like you don't need to know everything. You need to think how to solve any problems in game development, like how by using your tools create a game for that. So if I'm not able to solve it and people are able to, I should just see their answer instead of trying to get it by myself. Bro, that's true. That's absolutely true. Yeah, you will adapt to yourself, understand how code works, how it solves your problem. Yeah, Ali. This is my friends programmers who don't program even Roblox told me. The good programmer, this is not who knows everything, bro. The good programmer, this is the programmer who knows where to find a solution of your problem. If you think I don't use tutorials, bro, I also use tutorials, but I use it usually in other ways. Like I just found some tutorials about some certain things, and now I just use the concept how the people made solve this problem, for example, and I see if like earlier I just rewrite the code line by line. Now I just open the tutorial, for example, on YouTube. I watch. Okay, I've got it. Like they decided to solve this problem like so. Oh, okay, I have my own thoughts, and I adapt the code, adapt the code for me, and I don't watch the tutorial, for example, because I have some experience now, and I just, okay, I understood how they did that, and I think I can do that better, or maybe better for my game, like so. So this is the point, bro. You just, anyway, you use tutorials, always you use help, and that's okay, that's okay. Like, you just need to know where to find info about any your problems. How will you solve your problem if you don't research it first? Yes, agree. Absolutely agree, bro. Absolutely. So you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You really need to. Usually, you need to see how other people solve this problem, and then it usually gives you some starting point. Like, okay, I can take the part from this code, for example, or maybe adapt this code for my game. This is the point of that. So think smart or use resources online. Yeah, I agree, bro. You're not in Stone Age anymore, bro. Yes, absolutely, bro. So really, don't, bro, just when you have enough experience, you don't, like at the beginning, that's okay, bro. If you rewrite the code line by line, that's okay, bro. That's how I started, and it lasts like a lot of time for me. But bro, one day you just realize, oh, okay, I saw these tutorials, I saw the concept, how they did that, and I have enough experience to make this code better for myself. Like, just I see the idea. And bro, at the beginning that's okay if you rewrite the code, but I highly recommend not to copy the code, like just Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. This is, in my opinion, this is not the best approach compared to rewrite the code. Why I think like so? Because when you rewrite the code, for example, you write a line, you type line, you press the pause, type line again, next line. This is the best in my opinion, because it really helped me. You make mistakes, you make a lot of mistakes, you forget to put some dot somewhere, you forget to use brackets somewhere, you forget some things, you forget to define the variable or something like so. So, and you see on the video, like, bro, I did the same thing, like exactly, but it doesn't work. And it allows you to start thinking why it doesn't work. And you see, maybe you rewatch the video a couple of times, maybe you find solution on your own, I don't know, maybe any other help. And okay, oh, I forget, like dot here. So dots really it's very important, for example, or I didn't define the variable here, or I didn't create the folder, or a lot of things. It really allows you to try to solve your problem, because we're not robots, bro. If you rewrite the code, you definitely make some mistakes. So for me, this is like a common practice was before. Like, I forget the dot somewhere, I forget the close the brackets somewhere, or pairs. Okay, that's okay. And because when you just copy the code, like Ctrl+C and paste inside, you don't make mistakes. So maybe it also helps you on your way. So don't worry, bro, that's okay. We all started with something, and you just need to try. If you have a doubt, bro, no one judge to you if you make some mistakes, if you if you don't know how to make some formulas, bro, don't worry about that. Just start. If you do it pretty long and have a lot of dedication, bro, you'll be professional in the future. So don't worry. We all started with something, and you don't need to have a lot of doubts, bro. Just when you start, bro, you will already ahead the people who still thinking about starting. So just, bro, you need to make first step. The only way to properly learn is mistakes. Absolutely agree, bro. Absolutely agree. This is really helps a lot. Like I faced a lot of times, guys. Like, so Bro, I watched this tutorial 4 times. I checked everything line by line. Why it doesn't work? What the hell? Why it doesn't work? And it really forces it's really forced me to start find a lot of things like, bro, I know it should work, but it doesn't work. What the hell? What the hell? Why a guy in the video, for him all works, for me not? And you start to try to find the solution of that, and you find, bro, you definitely find. Like for some tasks you need more time, that's okay, bro. Just take your time and don't worry about that. Because when you overcome all these difficulties, bro, you'll become much stronger, and one day you'll be a real professional if you overcome like a little all these difficulties, like a lot of times. Just one day you realize, like, I can do everything, bro. I can do everything, and that's not a problem. Yes, I see, Profan. Thanks and good luck for your game. Thank you very much, bro. I also wish you good luck in your studying and in your learning. So that's it. That's why you need to know computational thinking. Yes, bro. Yes. So, my boys, and you will forget it if you don't need it every day. Yeah, that's absolutely true. That's not about only Roblox development. This is always knowledge. Yeah, agree. This has always happened to me. Like I found a good tutorials about Blender, like free course or something like so. I passed that, and after that, like, it was really great course. It describes a lot of tools here, a lot of how to make textures, how to make models, a lot of tools it covered. But guys, when I started, like, after half a year, I needed to make models for my tower defense game in Roblox. Guys, I even can't remember how to cut or rescale or move my things, my objects in Blender. What the hell? So it's really true. We need to always use our knowledge, or we forget everything. So really, just you need to find the knowledge you need right now. This is my point. And like, you feel when you need something new. For example, I feel my code is monolith and like 1500 lines in one script. That's bad. And I realized it's time for OP, probably. It's time for OP. And this is absolutely amazing thing. I really love that, how it works, how it's very easy to control, and really I really love that. This is absolutely amazing thing. I don't think I will ever be able to learn Blender. Bro, you don't need to think like so. Maybe one day you realize that you do that. And I also, bro, don't never think I didn't never think like I'll be a Roblox developer, bro. Guys, this is really funny, but for a very long time I thought like, programming, this is definitely not for me. I was sure about that. I was sure a lot of years about that. Like, guys, programming, this is like make codes on a computer. What the hell? But I didn't think about game development. So that's the problem. I thought about web design or something. This is really but maybe one day I'll be a web designer. I don't know. Also, I can predict that. But like, this is not so interesting. And I realized, like, oh, I can make games, like my own worlds, with my own stories, with my own rules. What the hell? Like, create something really cool, which really, and I like gaming, I like playing, and I create my own worlds. What the hell? So, guys, Life is very unpredictable in a lot of parts. So maybe, bro, one day you realize that you tried Blender and tell like, bro, I love that, and it's going good for me. So why not? You can they have documentation online. Documentation online about Blender, you tell probably. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. Like, I think for beginners, this is very important. This is my point. This is my point. Maybe you have other points, guys. This is my point. For beginners, this is very important to see results. Why I like YouTube tutorials at the beginning? Because, for example, you make a model in Blender, you can watch the video and you can, or they show it at the beginning of the video, or you can scroll in the end to the video. And you see the result. This is very important because maybe like documentation, this is not easy to read usually. So text, maybe some pictures, but like tutorials gives you opportunity to make something cool already at the start. Yeah, it takes like a lot of hours for you, but you have some results, and this is very important for me. So as a beginner, it's way easier to learn visually. Yes, bro, yes. I agree. This is what I thought about. Yeah. So guys, so my boys, I'm gonna eat and I'll be here in 20 minutes, my boys. Let's do like so. back. So, my boys. So. What about plugins? Do they do? What plugins? What plugins, bro? Or the whole Roblox studio, you mean? Okay, let's create our crates, survivor crate stop. Or maybe we don't need to really make a lot of tabs with that. Maybe just combine all the crates together, I don't know. Yeah, let's go. Let's do the like so, really. Like a lot of crates separated. That's bad practice, I think. Because for what? We don't have a lot of different crates. Crate. Crates. Stop. Crate stop. Like so. And crate stop. Let's go now. Where is it? Buttons controller. We control. Just crate stop will be here. Crate stop. Crates and crate stop dot new top controller. So we just need to unite that. We just need to unite that. So crates inventory. Okay, we need some data. Self inventory data. Rings. Self inventory data inventory. Let's check it out. Okay, great. So we just need to unite two things together, like survivor crates and monster crates together. So how we do that? Easy, I think. We need to rework this thing. Get items. Get items. For item in a self filter table or self inventory data inventory. to amount. Let's make it a little bit different. Okay, let's make them item table. Uh, Name equals to item. Amount equals to amount. What about this? Yeah, we can sort like any things we want. This is better. Type. What about type? I'm very interested. What about type? We don't need it, I think. We don't need it, maybe. Okay, so let's better do like sorry. Yeah, I agree with that. All items, item table. Maybe we can just even do like so, by the way. Let's check that. instead of making like a variable and so on. Let's do like so. Instead of all of that stuff. Print all items. I want to check. Let's go. So, okay, great amount. Nice. I like that. That's great. Yeah, that's easier and shorter for now. Okay, let's go here. Item, all items I. Okay. Name, item name. Rarity we don't have. Stats, health, speed. All these we don't need really. Like button, template button. Okay, this part we can delete, I think. These parameters we also can delete all of that. Health, move speed, we don't need it at all. Hi, hello, welcome. Okay, let's open our GUI to see the proper things. Items frame, let's go items, templates, create template. Yeah. So elements, what elements we have? Item name, elements button canvas group, name, item name. Also amount we have, yeah, of course. Name and local amount equals item amount. And here, so we take that and amount text equals to amount. So about rarity, item name. We don't need all of that, I think. Hello, hello. And let's delete that. ID we don't have. Check equipped, no. Selection mode, maybe by the way. Yeah, maybe. So this is about selection. Name, item, world, model. Yeah, let's take just name, item, world, model. Model builder. Let's see how works model builder and where it finds. Okay, characters models. Okay. So we need create builder probably, right? Yeah, definitely will be better if we have create builder. Create model builder. Was the keyboard shortcut to comment and comment several lines like that? Control and slash. Like slash this one. Control plus slash. So thanks, no problem, bro, no problem. World model builder. Okay, let's now with no model do that. Animations. Your controller show item type. A type. Local type. Great. Okay, let's just delete that for now. Amount, elements, let's check again. Canvas group, amount. Member of canvas group. Survivor template. Oh yeah, my bad. Create template instead of survivor template. Like this, I think. Nice. Nice. Okay. So we have this one. But let's make a little bit different that. Instead of just amount, we make like so. X and amount, like so will be better in my opinion. Yeah, like so. So this is amount, how much we have. Okay, now we need to activate it, make that self viewer controller GUI visible, show index. Let's remove it for now. Oh yeah, my bad, of course. Okay, let's finish with all of that first. We need to select our item, but we select items only by using names, because this is great. So it will be a little bit different for us. Selection mode true. If table finds self-selected items, name, and self-selection mode, so like so, I think. If selected item equals to name, select item template name. Select item. Selected item, just a name we'll make here instead of ID, because we don't have ID for crates. Okay, let's go here. Self-select item name. Oh yeah, of course. Survivor viewer. Table finds self-selected items name. And if not index, selection visible true, self-selected items, table remove, index. Okay, I think like so. But now we need to create our survivor viewer. Instead of survivor viewer, we need to create survivor. Okay, let's delete monster stuff. We don't have that. Okay, great. Instead of survivor viewer, Where's our viewer? Let's duplicate that and create viewer. And here's, instead of survivor viewer, rates viewer. And here creates viewer.new, and we make all of that. Let's go to create viewer and rename all of this. Survivor viewer, creates viewer. So here's we create viewer, creates viewer, equate survivor equals to new. We probably don't need a quick survivor at all because this is about crates only, so we delete this and let's delete somewhere else this, of course. Let's self equip survivor. Okay, equip button we don't have at all for real. And we probably can remove all of that. And unequip we don't have. Okay, let's remove all of that. Show, we just need show here. So show, what about show? Item, we send an item. We need just to go here. Like so. Oh, just like so, I think. Equipped survivor, we don't need that. Selected item, self clear. What about verticals, text? Well, all the stats we don't need, we don't have that. Abilities also we don't have that. And the image color, this is rarity like other things. We don't need that. And that. Let's go. Twin UI. What is Twin UI? So this just create our template, right? And select item. Selection puts template button, right? Maybe I forget to add here. Maybe. Oh yeah, of course, I forget to add here. Let's add our pulse mark new. Selection. Just selection. Like this. Let's go. Anyway. What is viewer eye? Oh, viewer eye also, I forget. Of course. Viewer eye, let's go. Nice. So great, works. This works. Okay, so Now we need to show that in the viewer, right? Right. We need to show that in the viewer. Buttons, self buttons. What is buttons? Self GUI. Self GUI. Through creates buttons. Yeah, that's it. Creates buttons. Self GUI creates buttons. Buttons. Okay, so here we have some different things. Anyway, okay, creates. Oh, great! Yeah, I've got it. What we have. Yeah, I've got it. What we have, guys. Finally. So, self GUI creates. We need a creates. We have a buttons here. Self interaction buttons. Self buttons interaction buttons. We don't make like so. We just make buttons, and that's enough. And let's make here maybe buttons for button in buttons get children do. If not GUI button, then continue end. Okay, object will be better to understand. For object, if okay, if object is a GUI button, then we do this, right? Else for button in object do. If object, okay, if not not object is a frame, then continue end. For button object, for button in object do. The same thing. If not object GUI button, then continue end. And if that's it, we do like so. Okay, great. Let's go. The interaction buttons will be this one, I think. Interaction buttons. I ate pizza. Good, bro. Good. Interaction buttons. Interaction buttons. Okay, let's create local interaction buttons equals to buttons. Interaction buttons. By creates buttons equals buttons by creates buttons. And sell buttons. Local sell buttons equals buttons sell buttons. Is it hard to make a script? All depends on your aims, bro. All depends on your aims. Like for some simple game, no, bro, very easy. If you, of course, want some complicated games, sometimes pretty hard. Just practice and experience, bro. This is the key for that. Interaction buttons, button open, and let's copy that. Activated connect function. Also button cell. Okay, just open, just cell. What the hell? Open. Oh, here's cell. Yeah, cell. Okay, interaction buttons. By create buttons. Buy more. Buy activated connect. Buy more. Then sell buttons. Okay, just sell and cancel, I think. Sell buttons dot sell activated and cancel. Like this one. Okay, so we also need a script which turn off probably all the other GUIs. So we bind all these buttons. Equipped. We don't need that at all. Clear. Templates, abilities. We don't have that. Don't need to clear. Let's remove all of that. Clear script we'll have. So show Like, not a lot of things we need to show. Viewport, we need to fill that. Okay, let's create builder finally, because create model builder. Like this. So let's go. Self properties world model. Self clean texture we don't need at all. Let's delete this part, this method, and okay, let's go. Characters models, where is it? Creates models. Replicate storage items models. Items models creates. Oh, we have that. Nice. Ninja and tank. Okay, maybe we don't need that. Rename. Creates. Self properties. Like so, I think. Yeah. But about self name a little bit, we need to change that. Name. Local formatted name. String sub name pattern rate pattern replace. And create model builder we need here. Instead of model builder, is a frame and viewer dot name not equals to empty, then viewer dot visible equals to false. And when we call that method, always when we press the show, I think, like self close viewers. Let's try. Self oh, what the hell, why I'm doing it here in tab controller, in viewers, of course, controller, what the hell, viewer controller here, yeah, we need a method here, close viewers, and let's call it here self close viewers. Let's try. Okay, self GUI, maybe like so. Okay, I wanna see what is self GUI. What the hell? Print self GUI. Oh, okay. That's already a viewer. So it's easier, even like so. So it's right. Oh, yeah. And get children, of course, I forget. Get children. Get children. So now should work, I hope. Oh yeah, my boys, let's go. Or not. Okay, let's open that and see what do we have. Players GUI. Should be like so. Yeah, but it's not. Print viewer, maybe I do something wrong. Let's check. Survivors creates empty monster. Okay. Very interesting. So we call this. It doesn't work. Okay, what if we do that, for example, here? Function. Oh, wait. Of course, my boys. What I'm doing? What the hell? And why? I think it doesn't work. Because I do wrong. All should work great. Because I just call not the wrong page. Yes, that's it. Let's check now. Okay, here we don't have this method. Okay, great. Yeah, that's it. Open and sell. For survivors, different. So nice, very good. Viewer controller. Close viewers. Self GUI creates. We make it visible. Okay. Image color. World 3 from RGB. Let's put everything here. And yeah, let's add this method to our survivors crates, of course. Self, when we show. Yeah, we can do it here, I think. Self, close viewers, and also here after the variables will be better, I think, like this. Let's go. Nice, yeah, great. So they close each other. Well, this is too bright, of course. You joined in 2016, right? Where? In Roblox? Or what do you mean? I don't know, let's check that. Yeah. So, okay, we have this method here. viewer controller, great. One thing, just a color I don't like. Like it's really weird. Maybe like so. It's better, but not the best. Okay, let's change image color, viewport. Let's check what's that. Empty light color. Light should be just white. Speed lines also white. What the hell? So the one thing, this is only this color. Oh, okay, I see that. I see that. What's the problem? Okay. Okay. And also let's create maybe rarity, like stripe. Crates. Also chances, of course. We need to show the chances here. Chances. Let's go, by the way. I forget about that. Local chances. Chances container. Viewer. Viewer. Chances. So in chances container, let's make it here. I think okay, local chance equals to chances container dot text label. Okay, template will be template. Clone. Chance. Chance dot parent. Okay, this is text label parent equals to chances container. Chance visible equals true. Chance layout order, also we need layout order equals, just we change that. And of course chance dot text equals to nothing for now. Okay, so we need to find the chances for our crates, if we have that, like custom chances. So config where it is config, let's make here as a config for our crates. Crate system, infrastructure configs, survivor crates. Okay, crates config equals okay, let's first create local rate system equals replicated storage services create system, require create system dot infrastructure dot configs dot local rates config. create system, infrastructure, configs. And now just creates config dot survivor creates, and the second one, okay, first will be default. I think will be better, like default chances, and here's default chances config. Yeah, that's it. So, but here we check if we have, if survivor creates config, for example ninja create, and we have yeah, let's check how we use that. Survivor default quality values. Okay, wait. So we need custom chances for that. What about chances? Config rarities. Okay. What is config? Generates stats. Config we have here. So for example, let's go in our config and let's create rarities here. For example, like custom. Let's go config rarities. Like this, for example, we have maybe, I don't know, like 40, 30, just for example, like 10, this is 80, 5, yeah, maybe 8, 2. Yeah, okay. Like, so this is just for example. uh, then create rarities. Then for rarity, no, for index where, okay, index we need index rarity in this. Okay, let's create a variable. Local chances equal this, or default chances config stat chances name probably, yeah, like so, chances if chances in chances do, and just put all of that here inside. Layout order equals to I, and text rarity okay, let's create this. Properties dot name, and here will be properties dot chance and percent here, like so. I think let's go, let's try. Okay, we need to clear that every time, by the way. Yeah. Clear. Self clear. Clear. So we need to go to viewer, local UI viewer, create, end, need to, okay, chances probably, grades, chances, for text label in chances get children do, if text label is a text label and text label dot name not equals to template, then text label destroyed. Like so. What you doing? Inventory system. Okay, it doesn't work. Create viewer. Text label is a text label and text label name not equals template. Well, UI creates chances. Oh, temp clear. Since your children, let's check. What do we have here? I want to check. Oh, wait, yeah, my bad. We need to rename our, when we create this thing, we need to rename that. Chance.name equals to, okay, we need also rarity colors. Rarity colors, we have that. Yeah, we have that. Rarity colors, chance, text, color 3 equals to rarity colors. Rarity colors, properties name, I think. Let's check our rarity colors config. Oh yeah, and probably text, I think. Yeah, definitely text. Text. Chance name equals to properties name. Like this, let's go. Name is not valid number of color 3. What the hell? Where is color 3 here? Wait. Okay, so chance is deleted. Great. And by the way, default chances changed, as you see. So we need just colors. The problem with colors. Chances. Oh, chance. What the hell? Yeah. Nice, great, my boys. Let's go. That's it. Okay, great. Nice. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Wait, secret at the bottom, right? Secret rarity. Yeah, right. And okay, what is type here? Creates viewer, show item type. Type we don't need here. Right? Yeah, we don't need that. Okay. Create viewer. One more thing I would make. I'll show you what I want to make. Chances, model window, canvas group. Rarity, yeah, rarity. Oh, yeah, we have rarity. What the hell? I would make it darker, like so, because it's too bright for now. Yeah, like so, and here's also. I would make it like so. Maybe in the future I'll add some things like rarity for crates. I don't know. What about this? Elements in item frames. Items, template, elements, rarity, yeah. Elements, rarity, background color. Color 3. Let's go. Let's try that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, great. So now we need to have full info about this. So we need to go create info subclass also. Info controller, survivor info, and create info. Create info. Let's rename that. Create info.new. So we need instead of survivor info, make create info. Hi bro, welcome. Okay, create info. Create info. Initialize info button back activated. Clear ability we don't need, and all of that we don't need probably. Show. If not item, then return not no item end. Info self GUI creates. Self GUI creates. what game are you making? This is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Oh, 1 second, guys. I forget one thing. So, hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors. Here is a pinned message in the chat. Here is 4 minutes video about this game. If you want, you can watch. Okay. So, that's it. So, let's try to press that. Is it retro style? No, no, absolutely not. This is just test models for now, or test UI. Love the UI animations. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. Okay, create info. Info controller, self-info controller. Where we call that? Button activated, connect. Good luck on the game. Thank you, thank you. See ya, have to go, bro. Okay, see you, bro. See ya. Self-info controller show. Print item. What the hell? I forget to connect the buttons, right? Probably, yeah. Oh, yeah. Probably initialize, I forget. Or not. Wait. Button activated. This is great stuff. Wait. Oh, my bad. My bad. I need to go to viewer crates, of course. Oh, yeah. Of course. Uh, empty table, and at the end we return item. So item, start chances equals to this, or just chances, I think. Yeah. And instead of just doing like so, we make like so, return this table. Yeah, that's it. Create config item. Create info, create config. new item. Local item equals to create config. Okay, self create config item, new item, like so. So return this table and do all of that. And rarity, let's item rarity will be like common just for the beginning. Rarity equals to common, just for now. Common, and that's it. So let's go. Fill all of that. Name, description, item type, rarity. We have stats. About stats, we don't need all of that stat. Price. What about price? Also we don't need. This is just like we have a price. What the hell? So item price. Item price. Name equals name. Text rarity colors text. Title text label. No, we don't need that. Description, yeah, we have type, item type, rarity. Okay. Okay, what is rarity? Okay, it will be like so. Price. Oh, these parameters we don't need at all. And we need to remove abilities, of course. Check default character, no, definitely. Health bar template, oh, that's it. So, okay, let's check first all of that we made here, and we'll see if it works like other things. Creates info. Okay, nice. It's already text label. Maybe just text, I don't know. Wait, let's check what we have here. Info, what is info? Self GUI crates. Crates. Title. Title name. Okay, text label will be better, really. Agree, absolutely. So, okay, silent survivor, like so. Price is not valid member. Info price. You need to put that. Price. Okay, great. So 300. Like they have the same price. I don't know. No, they have different price. What the hell? Oh, because probably. Yeah, I know. Ninja crate, of course. What the hell? Yeah, like so. Like so. Let's check that. Oh yeah, that's it. Thanks, survivor. And these chances, of course, we need to make different way. Create sphere, create stop. Survivor crates. Crates viewer. Crate stop. So chances we need to make. Chances, chances, chances. This is in crate viewer, I think. Yeah. Chances. Chances. Yeah, that's it, that's it. Let's just copy here and put them. Wait, what is that? Chances calculate for, okay, yeah. After the price, I think. Separate price. After the price, yeah, we place that. Chances. If item chances. Item dot chances. So that's it. Chances container. What is chances container? Here. Properties and chances do. Chances container. Oh, this is definitely oh, chances. We have a chances here. Nice. In info info dot your crates info dot chances I wanna see that. I wanna see that thing. Okay. Stats template. Okay. I've got it. And chances chances wait. Chances stats template clone. Yeah, local. Let's create a variable for that. Local chances container and this one. And what about clear? Clear. What about clear? That's it. Create info clear. Chances cell GUI creates chances stats. That's it. Okay. Clear. Clear. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Great. Need to add UI stroke. I forget about that. What is this game about? This game is like hide and seek, but with random abilities for survivors each level. Here's a 4 minutes video. I sent a link And you can watch 4 minutes video about this game if you want. I sent in the chat for you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. So, okay. Good luck. Thank you. Oh yeah, UI stroke, I forget to add. Here. UI stroke. UI stroke 2, I think, and that will be enough. Let's do that. Yeah, great, I like that. So, also, we need to create range bars, of course. Range bars we definitely need to create. Uh, range bars. Okay, we create range bar rate script parent range bar let's open range bar and we see that okay, I've got it. Why it's better not initializing the constructor. No. We'll change that a little bit. Okay, let's do that, guys. Let's create range bar function create info create range bar. And we need, of course, have range bars. Okay, range bar, just range bar, yeah, and range bar local range bar equals to range bar dot new. Without place arrow, we need that. Knock knock, what's up, bro? Welcome, Phoenix, welcome, bro. Okay, create range bar. We just need okay, just we need to return that. Yeah, let's return range bar like this. Okay, so we need that thing like, oh no, we have for health, what the hell. Health bar template, health bar, instead of calling that method, we call create range bar, and self create range bar, and here we just call that like name. What is name, by the way? Name. Oh, okay, yeah, we need to provide all the parameters like this one. Only health rarity we don't need, and health we don't need, like, okay. Only 3 parameters. And also we need to make all of that here and here, but this is stat instead of health. Template, just template, name template stat. So we go to range bar, create all of that, and call the methods. Arrow, visible equals to true. create name, just name. Amount, rarity, we don't need that. Yeah, it'll be easy to control that. Place arrow we don't need. Set title probably also, I think. Place arrow I'm sure we don't need. And health, let's go, let's try. Oh yeah, great, that's it. What about title? Health? Oh, this is just a rarity, we don't need a title. And this one also. So just two parameters and that's all. Two parameters here. Two methods we call from constructor. And let's go to do that. Change bar, range bar. Like so. And let's go to C. Great, so we have... Oh, what is health? What the hell? Maybe a set title we anyway need. Let's check stat. Stat name. Yeah, just stat name. Just, and I think that's all. Set title, and we need to call this method, of course, like so. Let's go again. Yeah, health, move speed, quality, great. And yeah, that's it. What about default chances, or what about default chances, by the way? Ranges, min, max, okay. So, okay, yeah, that's it. Create info, so we create all of that, and that's good. Oh yeah, and possible abilities, of course, we need it here. So let's turn it all off. Great. Ability template. Ability template we don't need here at all. We just hide this one. Hide all of that, why not? Or wait, chances we definitely need. No, all of that we leave. Maybe we need just ability template. Yeah, that's it. And now let's go to see what we have here. Let's go. Okay, great. So that's it. We have ranges for all of that. And so we just have description, type, name, rarity, all the chances, price, price should be higher, I think. Price should be higher, definitely. Because it's not like after chances. Okay, chances container because container because layout order equal to 6 just it can it should solve our problem. Yeah, that's it, I think. No, anyway, wait. Container info chances stats. Info chances. Oh, info chances layout order, I think. Maybe like so. Let's go. Yeah, right, my boys, what the hell is that? Great. Also, I want to add possible abilities. So you can press this button and you see all the abilities you can get from this survivor, and maybe you want to read about them a little bit. I already have popped up a GUI for that, and let's do that just. So, possible abilities. It should be always at the bottom. This button. Layout order. Oh, that's okay. That's so big number in here. So let's go to connect our possible abilities button, of course. Where we can do that? We can do that where we init our buttons. Info dot creates possible abilities and just connect activated event possible abilities, and we need to open new page here, like one more. Yeah, we need to close that and open new page. Okay, let's create a method, one more here. Possible abilities. Just call this method and self possible abilities. Just when we press that, info creates. Okay, so first we need to make invisible our creates window, or variable with our parameters. Okay, we need just call ability loader here. Ability loader. Uh, like this one. Let's call ability loader. Oh, we already have that. What the hell? Abilities config we have. That's great. That's amazing. Okay. We need to separate our abilities. Filter abilities. Filter abilities. Okay, filter abilities. Local abilities equals to empty return abilities. So what we need to do when we call filter abilities, okay, I know. Local ability equals to self filter abilities. So here we already do things. We have ability config, right? Right. Abilities config. In abilities config, we need to separate all our abilities. Probably we did that in here where we create our where we create abilities pool. So filtered abilities. Pick rarity. Get available abilities. Let's see again. Ability name properties and abilities pool do. If not properties one time, then existing find ability, current level, max level. I forget about one thing probably here. We need to check if it's in our pool. Upgrade ability, generate stats. Generate texture, set rarity. Oh yeah, we need one more thing here only. Yes. So we need to filter that. Also, I forget to do it here. So we have abilities config, but we need to get our categories, like ability categories, like self-selected item, ability categories. And we have different categories. This is just as strings. And we need somehow separate that. Ability loader load. Maybe we just can change a little bit. Oh yeah, yeah. It's easy, really. We need ability loader. Ability loader, load, ability categories. For category in ability categories do local pool category, and we need to table insert abilities. Print abilities. Okay, that's a lot. My bro, hi, hello bro, hello, welcome. I'm working on my game right now too. Great bro. Hope all going best for you. Going great. So, okay, let's check that. Ninja crate, possible abilities. For category name and oh, wait. Easier. That's easier. much, my friend. Yo, what type of game are you making? Hello, here is a video. Here is a 4 minutes video about this game. Uh, Here's 4 minutes video I sent in chat, and if you want, you can watch. But basically, this is hide and seek with random abilities for survivors, like so. I'm gonna release my game this Friday. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. So, what can you remind me what your game about? Soul. Abilities config. Troll slap tower. And what? Like you need to push, like slap players from the tower, something like so, or what? Okay, okay. Ability loader, load abilities. Yeah, we anyway need to create that like different module here. Filter abilities. We need to, yeah. Return ability load. Yeah, exactly. Oh, okay, bro. So this is your first project, or you already have some projects? Because I'm interested. By the way, when you release, if you're on my Discord server, don't forget there's a Your Creations channel I have, and you can share your link. Maybe some guys play your game, and I from time to time also. By the way, guys, I recently thought about making a stream like where we play your games. So I think it will be interesting. Like maybe I give you some feedback, maybe I give you some tips. Like of course, this I'm not a professional in all of that, but just opinion like a player. This is more like uh. So what do you think, guys, about like not like not now, not these days, like maybe in a week or 2 weeks, something like so, you can create and play your games really. So rate maybe see make some tips of that. I made many projects in the past that got 1k CCU. Uh, CCU, what's that? This is concurrent users or something like so, I think. But this is the first one I'm taking it serious. Oh, that's great, bro. That's great, bro. Yes, dude. Yeah, I also think this is a good idea, and it will be interesting for us. Mm, so, so. So what is CCU? Okay, filter abilities. Okay, maybe get abilities. Get ability. Yeah, get ability is more clear for that. Ability loader, load, and we just need to pass through survive self-selected item, and also ability categories like so. Concurrent user. Oh, okay, I've got it. So that's cool, bro. That's cool. Good job. So, so you worked before with a team, or you work alone, or just you didn't finish your projects? Oh, so one case is concurrent users. That's a lot, bro. That's good job. That's good job. Uh, so probably you have completed projects some. Okay, for ability. I'm still working with a small team of 3 people. Oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. That's good. So this is like your friends, or you find them just like random guys from, I don't know, somewhere, or this is your friends? Okay. Wait, I wanna check print abilities first, because there's a table like dictionary probably. Definitely dictionary. We need to place it somewhere. One is my friend, the other is my investor. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, bro. What the hell? What happened? Yes, so all abilities like so, like dictionaries. We need to put them inside the array. Can you write our thumb? I'll send it on screenshot chat. Yes, bro, of course, of course. Oh, oh, that's cool, bro. That's cool. But what about these red lines? This is just like not to no one stole your thumbnail, or this is supposed to be like these red lines, or it's supposed to be like so. That's cool. This is hand drawing or something like so. Yeah, it's not just. Oh, okay, I got it. Cool, bro. Cool. Uh, cool, bro. That's really like it's hand drawing or what? No, I mean in Photoshop or something like so. So that's cool, bro. That's really cool. My friend drawn it for me, bro. Very good, very good. Good job, yeah, really. Oh yeah, the second one is better even. Your friend is really talented, bro. Really. Good job. On Magic Bank, I don't know what's that. Probably some application, I think. Good job, bro. Good job. That's cool. But okay, the first, if the second, the one thing I can tell about that, like, okay, the first one definitely describe. It's for manga makers. Oh, okay, okay, we got it. The first one, so like explain what the hell is happening in this game. But like the second one for me, it for example, for me, if I don't know about your idea, I didn't know like what about this game. So first one, yeah. So I see like slapping and like we on the air or something like so, and that's it. But the second one, this is beautiful. The second one, but this is not describe the idea. The second one is a Stitch or begin. Oh, okay. So okay. So I thought this is the same game. First one is a slap tower. Okay, bro. That's cool. That's cool. Good job. Good job, guys. Very cool, really. So your friend's talented in that. Oh, data store broken. Okay. Oh, okay, guys. Data store is not responding. Probably Roblox is shut down. Roblox services. So I think also I think I already tired for today already. So and problems with Roblox.